Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So into the video, beautiful and amazing button crafts ideas I will share you. So friends, I hope you like my videos. So let's start today's video. Viewers, button flower bucket. Take colorful button and glue them on wire or stick. Add green paper leaves. Now you have a cute button flowers bucket. No watering need. Button picture frame. Take a plain photo frame, glue buttons around the border, mix big, small and colorful buttons you frame, turn fun and handmade. Button keychain. Thread a few buttons together and attach a keyring. Add a charm or ribbon if you like. Easy button keychains ready. Button coaster. Cut a circle of felt or cardboard, cover it with buttons side by side. Now your teacup has a colorful button coaster. Button jewelry. Use thread or Alice. Add buttons like beads, make a bracelet or necklaces. Cut cute and creative fashion. Weavers and button hair clip. Glue pretty buttons on simple hairpins or clips. Add pearl or lace. Now you have dye hair saris. Button wall art. Draw a shape like heart, tree or butterfly on paper. Fill it with glue. Buttons frame it. Your wall now has art made from buttons and weavers. Friends, button bookmark. Glue a button on top of our paper clip. Add ribbon or glitter. Bookmark ready for your favorites book. Buttons. Creating cards. Draw balloon or flowers on a card. Use button as the round shapes. A handmade card becomes special with tiny buttons. Button bracelet for kids. Use thread and let kids choose their favorite buttons. It's fun, colorful and great for craft time. Button Christmas tree. Cut a triangle from cardboard. Glue green buttons inside it. Add a star on top. Mini Christmas tree craft done. Button clock. Take a round cardboard or old clock. Replace numbers with buttons. Fun and bright home decoration. Viewers, I hope you like my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for most latest